Hello friends, I'm Mr. UG Money. And today I'm to show you how to use Countif function in Excel. Stay on until the end. Okay, let's go into the tutorial. Countif is an Excel function to count cells in a range that encounter a particular situation or criteria in one range. Countif is used to count cells that have dates, numbers, and text. Precisely, Countif states, equals Countif, range, and criteria, range, cells you are looking for depending on the criteria. What are you looking for? Let's use an example for a better understanding. So, if you decide to count the number of cells with eggs, meaning that cells are 2 to 7 as the range, and then cell D2 with eggs as criteria. Finally, press enter to get your results. Therefore the number of cells with eggs is 2. That's it for today. See you next time.